How to link your WhatsApp to a new device. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to link your WhatsApp to a new device but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. You have to find the very WhatsApp application by scrolling left or right or going to the search section of your mobile device. After you find the very WhatsApp application, you have to tap on that. After you find the very WhatsApp application and launch it on your very mobile device, now you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you have to go to the three dots on the top side and then go to the option of the settings. Now, after you go to the option of the settings, you can see an interface like this. Now, what you can do is you can go to the option of the privacy there, and after the option of the privacy, you can see the options like this. Now, you have to check in which types of account you are there on the very WhatsApp. If you find the option here, it's nice. Otherwise, you can just go back once again, and then you can go to the next option. That is, you can go to the very option of the account and then tap on the account. Now, after you go to the option of the account, you can see an interface like this. Now, you have to go to the option of the add account and then tap on add account. Now, after tapping on the add account as well, you can just add the very account here. Otherwise, you can open the very next mobile, and with the help of the QR code of here, you can add it to the next other device as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.